Hey YouTube, how we doing today? I know, what, it's been like 4 or 5 videos since Johnny Slicks was back on the channel. Today, we've got his original scent. So stay tuned after I roll that intro. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I think of this one. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers who have yet to do it, look down below. Little channel watermark's gonna pop up. Man, hover over on that thing, it should pull up subscribe. Knock that out the way early and you're gonna feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. I almost can guarantee it. Alrighty guys, now we brought a whole bunch of Johnny Slick stuff to the channel. And here's a little hint. We've got more on the way because this freaking jarhead does incredible work. Yes, he is former U.S. Marine Corps, and so is his business partner. Of course, his business partner's really freaking scary. You ever see Nick Comolazzos? That dude is just, I am Marine Raider, I am everything. Well, with that being said, we're going to take a look at his original scent. But for this one, we have a special guest on the channel. Come here. The Cuteness Factor is here for her first ever beard oil review. Say hi.
Hi.
What are we going to look at today?
Beard oil.
Talk a little louder so they can hear you.
Beard oil.
That's right. Okay. Now, you can find Johnny Slicks at www.johnnyslicks.com. Now, honestly, I found him in a Facebook ad. Originally, I saw everything about him and his business and everything with the Nick Comolazzos YouTube video. But, you know, with that being said, forgot about it, saw the Facebook ad, but okay, let me try. Now, they are 100% made in the USA out of, I think it's Holly Ridge, North Carolina. I probably got that wrong, but don't kill me. I know it's out of North Carolina.
And are those two forks in this video?
No, just this.
Okay.
Okay. So, he established himself kind of July 2016. But as he said it, he hit it huge and considered himself fully in business in February of 2018 when him and Nick teamed up.
Oil in there?
No, not this one. Okay? These are 100% organic ingredients. On his website, he goes into this great thing about organic versus natural ingredients. Don't worry. We're coming up to the fun part, okay? Yeah, seriously, we're coming up to the fun part. All right. There you go. Yeah, I know. You see yourself. Like I said, on his website, www.johnnyslicks.com. Go check that out. Because he tells it in a lot better way than I could. And you guys don't want to be here for 9 hours with me trying to explain it. What I think is cool about his oils, he sells them in 1-ounce bottles and 2-ounce bottles. Now, the 1-ounce bottle is $12.99, and the 2-ounce is $24.99. They both come in amber bottles, which I think are freaking awesome, because it helps block sunlight and all those painful ultraviolet rays that will kill your beard oil. And yeah, they also have the little eyedroppers, which I really truly love. Now, here's the important part. Come back here. That's right. Yeah, I love that smile. Okay, now the scent on this one, I consider like an earthy scent, kind of, like Honest Amish. They're really basic stuff. Really earthy, very normal, just, it's kind of like woodsy earth kind of stuff. They describe it as fresh, clean, and masculine with notes, of amber, teakwood, coffee beans, and charred woods of pine, cedar, and smoky sandalwood. Here's the important part. All right? Smell. What do you think? Yeah, I mean, I can smell the teakwood just because I've got a beard butter that's basically teakwood. So I'm really picking up on it, but it's got a great, incredible, like, masculine-y, woodsy, neutral, earthy tone, and that's about the only way I can put it. God, I love this stuff. Okay. All right, go play. So, you want to say bye to everybody?
Bye.
Say see you in the next video.
See you in the next video.
Watch more videos.
Watch more videos.
There you go. All right. Okay. Thank you guys so much for allowing her in this video. She really loves being part of videos recently, as you may have seen by some of the ones I'm rolling out. Now, the ingredients are real simple. tea tree oil, argan oil, Brazilian nut oil, jojoba oil or jojoba oil, however you want to say it, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, and body safe fragrance. This is one thing I need to give them so much credit for, okay? Johnny is very, very passionate about everything that goes into his products is very, very safe to put on your body. Whereas other companies out there, and we won't be bringing like Old Spice's beard oil and beard care stuff to the channel, they have so many chemicals in there that it's just not even funny. I mean, what was it? BeardTube did a review on their stuff, and he tried using their beard balm, and it wouldn't emulsify. And when he tried getting it in his beard, it made his beard like stark white just from the product. So yeah, with Johnny Slicks, you don't have that problem. His products, like his oil, it's a very medium weight oil, and the scent will stay around for a while, but it's not overpowering, and it's not like you just wipe your hand and wipe your hand across your face and there's 10W40 weight oil. Like some other oils that I brought to the channel, and forgive me drawing a slight blank. If I didn't say it before, look up top. There's going to be a card for every single beard care product that we have brought to the channel. And we're going to start rolling out more like beard washes and co-washes and other stuff. Because lately I've been doing a lot of oils, trying to build up a catalog. It's the only way I can put it. But this was one of the last ones I had to get, because he does a lot of, and I didn't realize this when I first started buying with him, seasonal items. So basically once it's done, it's gone. And you got to wait till the next season. Which I think is cool, because you fall in love with one and you're like, when's the season? When's the season? Like duck season, rabbit season, pigeon season. Well, pigeons are all year long, but you know what I'm saying. Deer, boar, whatever you want. Okay. Now with that weird stuff being gone, man, I want to know what you guys think. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, everything down below like we usually do. And I forgot this part. Damn it. Alright, beard oil is really, really simple. Guys, you basically get however much amount you want in there. And I know it's kind of bleeding out, but this one has kind of a golden tinge to it, and that's okay. That's just how the carrier oils interact. Put it in your hand, rub it together, and basically work it into your beard all the way down to your skin. Beard oil is more for your skin underneath your beard than it is for your beard. Your body can only produce so much oil when your hairs are growing to keep them healthy, keep them long, keep them, soft, supple, all that fun stuff. I will get you more in just a second. Let me finish this, okay?
I'm gonna ask for some cabling.
Let me give one moment, okay? So beard oil basically is a vitamin supplement for your skin and your beard. Plus the added effect, especially with Johnny Slicks, the stuff smells incredible and it sticks around for a while. Other companies I've had for maybe 2-3 hours at most. Johnny, I know, is going to stay in there for about 5 hours, which I think is cool. At least for me, going around the house. And the other thing that I love, and I've brought some of his organic pomades to the channel, they mix well with the oils and everything else. So it's kind of like you're getting an oil and a balm all in one. So it's really freaking cool. Now we'll back it up and say the same thing all over again. Now that I put the part in that I should have before, questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, man, everything down below. I want to know exactly what you're thinking and how you feel. Have you used Johnny Slicks before? Do you use beard oil? Just all your positive, fun experiences. And even... Hey, see that? I'm trying to finish. Give me one moment and we'll discuss this. If you've had any negative experiences, yeah, I'd love to hear those too, because I don't get it, There's some oils that I've used. I used once, and I'll be bringing one of those to the channel soon. I was like, trash. There was others when I started right in the beginning. Like, if you look back in that card, you're going to see one for the Blades Grim. When I first started, I thought that was awesome. Then I'm like, no. But anywho, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to thank you so much for watching this little weird rant on some Johnny Slicks beard oil. I know, kind of strange, but still. Train of thought, my God. Yeah, I'm still, angered about a video I shot earlier in a gender-neutral sport, but... Okay. So, thanks so much for finding the channel. Man, for you first-time guys and you long-time guys who haven't done it yet, especially at the beginning, look down below in one of the two corners. You're going to see a bigger channel symbol popping up. Click on that. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've destroyed that subscribe button, please destroy that bell icon. Why? Well, it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to pop up probably on that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My unbiased look at Johnny Slick's original scent organic beard oil. God, I need caffeine. Anywho, thank you so much for watching this really weird one, and I know when I go edit it, I'm going to have to smack myself. Thanks for watching, and have a great day today.